Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share videos on the latest tech and helpful tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Connecting your Akko 3068 Bluetooth keyboard for the first time is a straightforward process, but understanding the specific steps ensures a smooth setup, allowing you to enjoy its wireless freedom across multiple devices. Before you begin, always make sure your Akko 3068 keyboard has sufficient battery charge. A low battery can interfere with the pairing process or cause unstable connections. It's also essential to verify that the Bluetooth functionality on your host device, whether it's a Windows PC, Mac, Android tablet, or iOS smartphone, is actively turned on and discoverable. Many users overlook these basic checks, leading to unnecessary troubleshooting. The Akko 3068 supports pairing with up to 3 different Bluetooth devices, which is incredibly convenient for those who switch between a desktop, laptop, and mobile device. To initiate the pairing process, you'll first need to select one of the 3 available Bluetooth channels. These are typically designated as E, R, and T on the keyboard. Press and hold the FN key simultaneously with E, R, or T for about 3 seconds until the corresponding indicator light above the E, R, or T key flashes rapidly. This rapid flashing signifies that the keyboard is now in Bluetooth pairing mode and is actively searching for a device to connect with. For example, FN+E will set it to Bluetooth channel 1. If you're pairing for the first time, any of these channels will work. Just remember which one you've assigned to which device for future reference. Once the Akko 3068 is in pairing mode, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your host device. On Windows, you'll go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and other devices and click Add Bluetooth or other device. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, Bluetooth. For Android and iOS devices, access Settings and then Bluetooth. In the list of available devices, you should see Akko 3068BT appear. Select this option to complete the pairing. Your device might prompt you to confirm a pairing code or simply connect directly. After a successful connection, the indicator light on the Akko 3068 will stop flashing and remain steadily lit or turn off, depending on the keyboard's power-saving mode, signifying a stable connection. Should you encounter issues, a few common troubleshooting steps can resolve most problems. If Akko 3068BT doesn't appear in your device list, ensure the keyboard is still in pairing mode, indicator light flashing. You might need to turn Bluetooth off and then back on again on your host device or even restart the device itself. Sometimes, interference from other wireless devices can prevent successful pairing, so try moving closer to your computer or away from potential sources of interference. If you've previously paired the keyboard but are experiencing reconnection issues, try forgetting or removing the Akko 3068 from your device's Bluetooth settings and then repeat the pairing process from scratch. This often clears corrupted connection data. The Akko 3068 is designed to automatically reconnect to the last paired device when turned on and within range, provided the host device's Bluetooth is active. To switch between your 3 paired devices, simply press FN+E, FN+R, or FN+T briefly, and the keyboard will attempt to connect to the device previously paired with that specific channel. This multi-device capability makes the Akko 3068 an incredibly versatile tool for various computing environments. Always consult the Akko 3068's user manual for more specific function key combinations or advanced settings, as these can sometimes vary slightly with firmware updates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech guides and keyboard tips.